2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're watching Ride With Me. This is the show where we take you behind the scenes of the most upscale, sexiest, and craziest places in NYC. You get to see your favorite celebrities, your favorite personalities. Buckle up, baby. It's about to get crazy. So Joel, what songs do you like hearing while working out?
Well, oddly enough, like I know a lot of people like to work out to like pumped up music, like hype gangster music, or just things that are like disco or just up tempo stuff. But I like R&B. I listen to R&B only because like no matter how long you've been working out, you hate it. And I've learned that from people. Like even if you see results, you hate it. So I just try to listen to whatever music I can delve into and forget that I'm working out.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like so, like like today I was listening to Keisha Cole's album, and you know, just it brings me to a certain time, and I'm thinking about that instead of running. And then by the time you look down after 6 songs, you're like, yeah, it's 28 minutes.
Yeah.
Like you know what I'm saying? So if I listen to rap, like it doesn't hold my attention as much. Like I'll look down and be like, oh my God, I got another 30 minutes. You gotta find out what works for you.
Exactly.
Everybody has some people I can't get up in the morning and work out. That's not gonna work for me. Some people have to do it at night. Some people like, if I don't knock it out in the beginning of the day, it's not gonna get done. And everybody has their own little routines and tricks, but whatever works for you, just to get it done, you gotta do it. I get up, do what I gotta do in the bathroom, and then I just throw on gym stuff and go right downstairs. Like, I have no excuse. It's in my building. I made sure of that, so I'm like, all right, I don't have to go anywhere. Go downstairs. Like, that's it.
What do you tell yourself?
You know what? I don't do that. I listen to my body. Sometimes you don't work out. You're not supposed to. Like the biggest misconception working out is you're supposed to do it daily. I don't believe in that. I believe you should workout should be a part of your life, but it shouldn't be every single day. You know, your body, everything needs a rest. You know what I'm saying? So there's certain days where you wake up and you're just like, and I know what that is. That's my body like, all right, give it a break. And especially when you're building muscle, you need it to repair. You got to give it time for reparation. So I don't work out every day. Those days I don't feel like it, I don't do it. But what I'll do is to substitute. I'll curb my diet harder that day. Okay. Like I'll be very more food conscious that day. Like, all right, you didn't run today, so no frieds. You gotta watch this. Let's do a salad instead of a sandwich. And things like that. So my goal is health. I just want to be healthy. I don't want to wake up how I used to wake up with my back hurting and hearing things on my body crack, and it's not a good way to feel. I just want to feel better.
Why September 3rd?
I have no clue, man. Why that day it happened, but I know what happened that day, and I woke up from a night of like partying and drinking and stuff, which was habitual, like when you on the road.
So we're heading to the barbershop, your barbershop, that is in Brooklyn.
Yeah, it's in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. Face the Famous. It's my boy Didi's spot.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, I'm gonna get clean as much as I can. I've been in the cave, that's what I call the studio. I've been living in the studio, no chance to get a haircut, but I'm gonna go over there today.